2022. It's a good year, it's a great year. But have some tips. And the title of this video is Business You Can Start in 2022 in Kenya. Business that you can start in 2022. Cheap business, business that you can start with less than 50,000 Kenyan shillings in Kenya. So, are you planning to start a business? What kind of a business is that? Are you mixed up about the business that you can start in Kenya that can give you money? And most of the entrepreneurs, if you have done your research, you will see that most of the business people, we call them moguls, the business moguls, most of them started with no capital. They started with no capital or a very little capital. So, if you want to start a business, don't wait the moment you're going to have 1,500,000. Start a business with less than 10,000 and raise up to the potential. Grow with the business. So, if you want to start a business, you have to tell you that it's not easy. It has never been easy. You're going to fail. So it's not a walk in the park. Let nobody lie to you that. So if you want to start a business in 2022, it's uphill task. It's not easy. But I'm going to give you some of the business that you can start in this year that can give you a substantial income, but let it be known that it won't give you immediately. There's nothing like, the problem with our population today. They want snap results, instant results, everything just like that. It won't happen. But you have the zeal, you have the courage, you have the fighting spirit. You're going to get it, man. It's a lot of work. It has taken me to give you this content, it has taken me more than 5 years of reading, learning, trying this, trying that. And for more information, you can go to www.kenyanation.co.ke. You are going to get more information there. So, the only business, the business I'm going to mention here is the business that I think that can make you money, and they need very little capital. So, number one rule of starting business is using what you have. That's number one. Using what you have. Make sure that whatever you see around when you get at your home, start with that. The little that you have, start there. Let you not fathom about having 100,000, 1 million, 40,000 and start a business. No. Start with the little thing that you have. And that's why I usually encourage the best business to start today, or to start in this era, the era of millennium, the era of internet, is any business we can start with this gadget, the phone, the phone. And there are very many businesses you can start with the phone. And number one, you can start an internet or online marketing business. Remember, it has never been easy. It will never be going to be easy. Even if you have the internet, the learning curve of a business, the growth curve of a business does not change. Either it's an online business or offline business. So, I would advise you, number one, look for business that are going to help you grow it through the internet and through the phone. All you need is internet bundles. So what you do, you can just channel the internet, the bundles that you're using to go and see videos in TikTok. Just channel that to start a business. Are you getting me? So use what you have for another course, a better course than what you are using before. So if you had business for the TikTok or YouTube, Use the same bundles to grow a business. Then the best business you can do is online marketing. There's a lot of varieties, but don't look at those varieties. Know what you can do best. If you talk business, if it is marketing, start that. And the only niche I advise, I know 99.9% of you hate it, is online marketing. In short, network marketing. Network marketing. Look for network marketing companies that you can find. The reason being, in network marketing, there's learning, there is group work, there is pulled together of resources, there is what we call income, that you, maybe they call it artificial income, you know, income that you get into you, will get into your account without working. And the good business about network marketing is because you grow people, and those people, they grow your business, you know. And there is learning, there is mentorship. So far, I had a mentor in my life, and that's why I'm here today. So look for these good network marketing companies. And if you have not heard of any network marketing, you can inbox me, and I'm going to leave my number here. You can inbox me or go and search www.Toyos East Africa Technologies, and then you get to me, and I'm going to direct you on how to go about it. But look for any network marketing that is legit, that is working, that can make you income, even if you work or you don't work. There are very many, but look for one. Look for one. Invest your time, 2 years. Don't think that you'll join today and make 1,000 today. Learn, be mentored, be a good learner, you know. It doesn't matter your age, just learn, just put the results and put the work, then you're going to make it. That's number one. Online marketing business. Number two, of which I don't encourage so much, is these coins, Bitcoins, Ethereum, trading online. I don't encourage that, because most of them, they are not good actually. But go and learn, go and do some digging, go and look for someone who's doing it and has the result. Learn from that person. Don't just join blindly. So if you have someone who is getting the result, just go and learn from him, and you're going to get the result. And from now, I'm going just to mention a few from them, which are, even if they are not online, so that you can go and learn and do more research and make your decision. So number one, those business that you can start, number one is online. Any business that you're going to make online using your phone and internet. Number one is network marketing. Number two is trading online. Number three is becoming an agent of any company. I don't think there's any company that you're going to tell them, I'm a salesperson, and you show them what you can do, they're going to kick you off. I'm gonna kick you out, because every other company is going to look for more ways to make more sales. In any company, sales and marketing is an important business, and makes the company run. If there's no sales, there's no employment, there's no cash to run the business. So look for any business that can offer sales. Learn from there, because that's what the money is. Look for any agency that maybe is training. You'll never go wrong about them. So number one is network marketing, trading online. Number three, look for any sales and marketing company online. YouTube, they're there. Facebook, inbox them. Go even to another level. Go to Toyota Kenya, go to GM. They are still looking for sales and marketing people. So in short, be a salesperson. What salesperson does to you, it gives you knowledge, wisdom. It opens up your mind on how to talk to customer, how to market. You know, it's going to give you this good wisdom that's going to happen, that you'll use it later when you start your own business. I will not be here if I never joined a sales business. So go and look for that, and you're going to get there. And the other thing is YouTube, TikTok. YouTube right now is paying very well, but you have to put in some lead work, good work. So YouTube is going to do that. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Make sure you grow a brand. When you grow a brand, many companies will approach you. If you don't want to go to the companies, make the companies come to you, and you can do this through a brand. So apart from those online things, the other things, business, I'm going to mention them, just like drinking water. Business that you can start with little money. You can start wines and spirit. You can start from down there, wines and spirit. The other thing is start a bookshop online, Sacco investment. You can start advertising furniture. You can start a marketing and agency, advertising agency. Till maybe, because of business registration, it might go to up to 50,000. You can sell clothes online. You can start a catering business. You can start freelancing in real estate. You can start entertainment road. You can start maybe become a DJ, but you have to learn. You can sell vouchers, you know. You can set up a boutique to sell clothes. You can start a shop, online shop. You go to the internet, you're going to learn on how people have made it. So all this I'm talking about is in YouTube. So go and look for people that have maybe started an online shop and it's working for them. You can start a butchery business. So there are very many businesses you can start. But if you have no money, because of the business I've mentioned,